With date parser, we can convert a date that is stored as text to a formatted date. For example, here we have dates following European convention, which goes like date, month, year. And our US setting Excel is not recognizing it as date, but rather a string. How to do it with Casetak is, first choose the date column. Type down how the current date is formatted. In this example, day, month, year. Name the target column for transformed dates. Type the target format. You can keep the existing format, which now in Casetak will be recognized as a date, or change the format to anything you like. For example, month, year. Click Preview to run this node and preview the results. If the date column source data is in number format, for example 44837, check the box Excel format. Then Casetak will convert it into October the 3rd, 2022. We can preview the results and click on Run Status on the top right corner to check run logs and details of errors if any. Once this step is done, you can either perform further transformations or export the data to a spreadsheet using push function.